Hey, today I will show you how you can place order on IKL Store. Open your web browser and search IKL Store and open the first website appeared. Browse the website and find the product you want to purchase. You can use the Load More button to get more results, or you can use search bar or navigate through the categories to find what you're looking for. Click on the product to see its details, including the price, description, and available sizes or colors. Check the size chart to find the perfect size for you. Select the size and color you want to purchase, and then click on the Add to Cart button. If you want to purchase another color also, just select again the size and color and add to cart again. You can continue shopping and add more products to your cart, or proceed to checkout. When you're ready to check out, click on the cart icon. You'll see a summary of your order and the total price, including shipping and taxes. Review your order to make sure the details are correct, and then click on the Proceed to Checkout button. If you already have an account on IKLStore.com, you can log into your account. Otherwise, you can create a new account, enter your shipping address and contact information, and then choose your preferred shipping method. The available shipping methods and their prices will be displayed on the screen. If you have a discount code or a gift card, enter it in the discount code or gift card field and click on the Apply button to see the updated total price. Remember, the coupon codes are only valid on online payment methods. If you want to avail discount, choose any online payment method. There is no discount on cash on delivery. Review your order one last time to make sure everything is correct, and then click on the Place Order button to complete your purchase. Choose your preferred payment method and enter your payment details. IKL Store accepts various payment methods, such as credit cards, debit cards, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm net banking. You can also pay through EMI. For EMI, just click on EMI button and select your bank. Then proceed further and select your EMI plan. Then enter your card details to check the further information and pay through easy EMIs. You will receive an order confirmation email from IKLStore.com with your order details and estimated delivery date. You can also track your order by tracking link that you have received on your email and SMS. That's it. You have successfully placed your order on IKLStore.com. Thank you.